All right, both radios are done and they've been aligned. I just want to show you the work that's been done. As you can see, the polished back covers, track repair, Rosa Radios VCO, O2A chip. Alright, so this is the 18 channel on top. There we go. There's not much on SSB, I doubt it. Alright, I'll just do the other one. Okay, I'll put it into AM. This one is a bit better on loudness when it comes to AM. I haven't been able to, it's only just slightly better. There's absolutely nothing on here. Right. I'll correct that. Alright, so we've got power out, showing 4 watts. On frequency, showing 4 watts. Both of these radios are about 18 watts PEP on SSB. This is the one that had the problems with the meter that had me miffed. And in the end it turned out to be some dry joints. Now I've gone over the board. So again, I can't make any promises. So the point is that the radio's working. Again, it's the exact replica of the one below, including this one had a failed track as well, but this is the better one of the two. Sorry. This is the better one of the two. It doesn't have a second track. Alright, I'm on the dummy load now. I'll go to the antenna. There's just nothing on. Alright, Jamie. There's your 2 radios.